Dallas ISD is seeking the community's input for the 2021 Trustee Redistricting process. In order to participate, Google Chrome is the recommended internet browser. When the map opens, it will display trustee districts, campus locations, and county precinct lines. You will need to zoom in on the map to view the precinct details. At any point, you can return to the original map view by clicking on the Home button. In the Layer List tab, you are able to add in high school feeder zones and turn other map features on and off. If you wish to find an address, you can type it in the lookup box and hit Enter. At the Draw tool, you can add lines, polygons, arrows, and text to demonstrate your ideas for redistricting of areas and precincts from one trustee district to another. Zoom to adjacent trustee boundaries. Add an arrow showing movement of a precinct from one trustee district to another. Add text confirming those details. You can also draw a polygon around precincts to show a recommended change. Add text explaining the proposed move of precincts from one trustee district to another. If you make a mistake, you can click the Undo button to remove the last element you added, or use the Redo button to return the element you removed. Once you have drawn all the boundaries and added all your text, make sure to save a view of your work. To save your work, click the printer icon. A screen will appear giving you the option to print to a PDF file. Once you open the PDF, you can save it to your device of choice, for example, a USB flash drive or desktop. Don't forget to print to your device if you want to save your drawings. This platform does not save or store drawings. To remove all the elements, click the Clear button. Be careful not to refresh the web page. This action will remove all your added elements and return the map to the original view. Thank you for taking the time in assisting Dallas ISD in the 2021 Trustee Redistricting process.